Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you're done with your English lesson. Alright, let's start with our science. Open up your science exercise book. Flip to page number, we don't have page number, but flip to the page where you have written 26th of October, the date. Because today's topic is glass and I have given you notes on glass and plastic on 26th of October to copy. Alright, as I told you earlier, glass is made from molten sand. So what is the molten sand? It's nothing but a heated up sand. The sand is being heated up at 1700 degrees first to turn it into a molten sand. Then they add some chemicals like potash or sand ash, which you will learn when you grow up to secondary level. When you do chemistry, you will be learning more about chemicals. So in those chemicals are added in the molten sand to turn it into glass. So it is one of the oldest artificial. So what is it? Glass is one of the oldest artificial. It's not natural material, but it's an artificial material first made around 5,000 years ago. It has glass has been in this world with us since 5,000 years ago. It is transparent, easily molded into different shapes. So now the glass is transparent, that means you can see through. It's easily molded, that means when you take a clay, you can turn and twist it in whatever shape you like. So you're molding it into a shape of your life. It can be molded into different shapes. Hard and slow to decay. It is hard at the same time and it is slow to decay. It's not like paper. It does not get decayed fast, alright? But it will get decayed slowly. It gets spoiled slowly. It takes many years for the glass to spoil. This is why glass has so many uses in our lives, as bottles, glasses, windows, spectacles and many more. What do you mean by spectacles? Spectacles are the glasses, the power glasses which we wear when our eyesight is getting weak. Okay, so what do? We wear glasses with different numbers, alright? So it depends whether you're not able to see far or you're not able to see objects very close, or you need to magnify it. So when we use to magnify something, to enlarge something, we look through the magnifying glass. So glass is very helpful and it can be used very easily and it can be made very easily. It's not a natural, glass is not a natural material, it is an artificial material. Now let's go to plastic. Before that, if you remember, we have different glass objects we use, that is bottles, jars, spectacles, glass, stained glass window and a mirror. So these all objects are made out of glass. Now let's go to plastic. Plastic is very light. Okay, in weight, plastic is very light. It is strong and it is a man-made material. It is a man-made material. Man made it. How? Many plastics are made from oil. So what do? Do you remember I told you when we go to KFC or when we go to fast food centers, they use fried food like French fries or nuggets or chicken fries. So they fry it in the oil. So at home we use a little bit of oil and we fry it and we do not reuse it. Mummy doesn't reuse it. But in restaurants they keep on using the oil till it becomes very sticky. So when it is not usable, they at least use for 4-5 days the same oil. But when it gets a bit sticky and it has a odor in it, what do? They transfer it into containers, they send it to the factories. Why? Then they send it to the factories where plastic is made. So then they will heat up the oil to a certain degree and then that oil will turn into plastic. So it can be made with very different properties. It can be made thin or thick. Okay, plastic you can make very thin or very thick, or flexible or rigid. Flexible is when you can bend it, you can turn it, you can twist it. But rigid means it's stable. You cannot, like for marker outer shell is plastic. It is rigid. I cannot bend it. Yeah, that is rigid. Or transparent or opaque. Transparent or opaque means transparent is see-through. Opaque means you cannot see through. You only see the glass outside, but you cannot see through what is inside. So this is for today. Alright, we have done glass and plastic. And then on Friday we will be doing metal. If I'm not wrong, we have done, after this comes metal. We'll do notes on metal. So rest, copy the properties of materials in your exercise book and upload it for marking. Bye for now.